Hey guys, daily recap for August 4th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we got, what we did today, what we got going on today. Basically came into the market, was talking about it being probably a range-bound day, looking for a dip on the open and potentially a push to the upside. After the market opened up, I figured, okay, we're just going to consolidate because we were a little extended, and we did actually consolidate and fill that gap extension, so that was great. Some of the stuff that we did today, well, first and foremost, guys, we had coin overnight. We had 85 calls and 100 calls, and it ended up being a really great trade on both. We had 5,900% on both the 85 calls and 5,900% gain on the 100 calls, which ended up being about, for me, $38,000 realized. So, sorry, it's $38,000 for the day, about $34K on those options. So, pretty happy with that. I can show you guys that if you want. I'm sure you guys do want to see it. So, on the day, this is what I did. How do I pop this thing out? One sec, guys. I'm trying to pop out the P&L, but I don't know how to do it. There we go. There you go. So $38,144. So pretty good stuff there. Yeah, so we'll see what happens going forward tomorrow. But first and foremost, started off with coins, some really good trades there. We transitioned. We also had mRNA overnight, 185 calls that ended up getting a nice little gap, 1,344% on those. We had the W calls. We grabbed those intraday. Basically, I was looking for a reversal on this, and the daily chart was set up for a breakout for continuation higher, so I love the look there. Grabbed the 70s. We got about 630% on those. We did roll into next week's 70s. Those worked out nicely. And then we're holding 80 August calls as well. Roku, we grabbed this one out the gate, grabbed the 90 calls. Those ended up going up 338%. AMD, the 105 calls for 237. We also grabbed the 107s for about 50%. End of the day, we had some Triple M 150 calls on, and those ended up going over 50%, so that was nice. We had a couple trades on BNTX and ended up being flat, so nothing really there. CLSN, we had the 2.5 options. We're swinging this one overnight. 200% on that, so decent little trade there. What else did we do? I'm just scrolling up, guys. I was pretty light after this morning just because we made a decent amount of money, obviously, overnight. We did grab some coin 80 puts, which ended up going about 20% into close. We ended up swinging those. I think it might do a round tripper. We had some CVNA 40s for about 40% on those, and next week's 50s for about 40%, and this week's 40s for about 50%. The Win 70 calls, which didn't work. The Bed Bath & Beyond 7 calls, which ended up being a flat trade. Meta 180 calls, those ones did not work. CVS 105 calls for 70%. And that's it on the option side. On the equity side, we did grab some, a whole bunch of different things. Equity side, we were in some Tesla for $8 to the upside. FRGE for 2 points. We were scalping a lot of these low floats. W for 3 points on the long side. DDOG long for 4 points off the lows as well. And then coin, we did take a little bit of long on this little pullback to the EMA support, and we traded it for 2 points to the upside. NVIV would be the last one. We traded this one a few times in total for 3 points. We grabbed it on the basically the parabolic move. We sold into the 14 level, pulled back into the EMA support. We grabbed it again long on the flag, and that was pretty much it on that. Some of the stuff that didn't work were just starters. So we did try a starter on this Peggy. That ended up just getting out flat. We tried a starter on AERC. We ended up getting stopped out of that one. I'll be watching this one tomorrow, guys. It still is set up. As well as, what else did we do? We were in CLSM. We're swinging that. Oh, we did this QH, which was a small little penny stock long for about 10 cents to the upside, so not bad there. Anyways, guys, that's it. If you guys want to come trade with us, feel free to go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. You get access to all the alerts, the live stream. You get all the entries, exits, ads, sells, as well as guidance on the positions fully through. Whole bunch of free resources as well in the chat to help you. So if you want to pop into our free Discord, their link is in the description of the bio. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. SpartanTrading.com. Happy to help. And you have a great rest of your day, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow.